The Fiverr CEO just sent his employees a message that should scare the living shit out of every realtor watching this video. He said, AI is coming for your jobs. Heck, it's coming for my job too. This is a wake-up call. But here's the thing, most realtors are going to ignore this warning as usual, keep doing business the same way as usual like they've always done it, and in 12 months from now, they'll be wondering why their pipeline is dried up. I'm not here today to sugarcoat this for you. I'm here to tell you exactly what's coming and how to make sure you're not left behind. What's up guys, Lewi here. Today I'm talking about something that is already, but is absolutely going to completely transform our industry, artificial intelligence. Now, I've been watching this space really close, and what the Fiverr CEO just told his employees confirms everything that I've been seeing, that I talk to other people in the industry like Adam Gillespie and other people about. So let me just read this part of the message so that you can kind of get context for this. AI is coming for your jobs. Heck, it's coming for my job too. This is a wake-up call. It does not matter if you're a programmer, designer, product manager, data scientist, or lawyer. Easy tasks will no longer exist. Hard tasks will be the new easy, and impossible tasks will be the new hard. You will face the need for a career change in a matter of months. So this isn't some distant future that we're talking about. This is happening right now. And if you think real estate is somehow immune, you're in for a rude awakening. Because let's be brutally honest about what most realtors actually do. And I say most, I don't mean you, you're a special unicorn. Most realtors search the MLS for properties, write property descriptions, create social media content, follow up with leads via email and text, fill out standardized contracts. And guess what things AI is already doing better than most humans? All of that. Now, I'm not saying AI will replace realtors entirely, absolutely not. I fundamentally believe that we are a service and relationship business, but it will replace realtors who only provide these basic services. Think about it, if all you're doing is opening doors and filling out paperwork, why would someone pay 3% when AI can do 80% of that work at a fraction of the cost? But here's where I think it gets interesting. The Fiverr CEO doesn't just warn his employees, he gave them a path forward. And that same path applies to us as realtors. So let's read this piece again. Easy tasks will no longer exist. Hard tasks will be the new easy, and impossible tasks will be the new hard. This is the key to understanding what's happening. The baseline for us is shifting. 5 years ago, having a nice website and some decent listing photos made you stand out. 2 years ago, using a CRM, having automated follow-up, having a chatbot on your website was super advanced. Now, it's a bare minimum. And today, if you're thinking knowing how to use ChatGPT puts you ahead of the curve, I've got real bad news for you. That's already becoming the bare minimum. The skills that made you successful in the past won't make you successful in the future, period. But here is the good news. If you're willing to adapt, there's never been more opportunity in real estate than right now. The agents who embrace AI rather than fear it are going to absolutely crush over the next few years. So, what does adapting actually look like? Let me break this down into 5 specific actions that I think you need to do. First of all, become exceptional at what AI can't do. AI cannot build genuine human connections. It can't empathize with a first-time homebuyer's fears. It can't read body language in a negotiation, at least not yet. It can't provide the emotional support during a stressful transaction. Double down on your emotional intelligence, your ability to connect with people, your local market knowledge that goes beyond data points. Second, use AI as a force multiplier, not a replacement. I've been using ChatGPT and Gemini to 10x my productivity recently. I use it to draft emails, create content ideas, analyze market data, and even help with contract language. Here's a prompt I use daily. You're a real estate marketing expert. Help me create 5 social media posts ideas about whatever the current market trend is. In seconds, I have a week's worth of content ideas that I can personalize and make my own. Third, become a prompt engineer. The realtors who know how to talk to AI will have a massive advantage. It's not just about using ChatGPT, it's about knowing exactly how to prompt it to get the results you want. Now stay tuned for this video. I'm going to put a QR code up for a list of prompts that I've been using for this particular thing. So instead of asking, Write me a property description. I say, you're a luxury real estate copywriter who specializes in emotional storytelling. Write a property description for a 4-bedroom home that emphasizes natural light and indoor-outdoor living. Make the reader feel like they're walking through the home. The difference in output is night and day for those 2 prompts. Fourth, focus on high-value activities. Use AI to handle the repetitive, low-value tasks so you can focus on the high-value activities that actually make you money. Let AI draft your emails, let it create your social content and analyze market data while you focus on meeting clients, negotiating deals, and building relationships. And fifth, never stop learning. The AI landscape is wild and it's changing weekly, almost daily. What's cutting edge today will be outdated in 6 months, guaranteed. So you need to commit to continuous learning. One person that you guys should absolutely follow is Adam Gillespie. Adam Gillespie is on top of AI and his YouTube channel is second to none. So I'll drop a link for that in the description. So set aside time each week to experiment with new AI tools and new techniques. So beyond the tactical stuff, there is a mindset shift that really needs to happen. Most realtors will approach AI with fear. They'll resist it, they'll ignore it, or even try to fight against it. And unfortunately, they'll be left behind. The successful agents will approach AI with curiosity and excitement. They'll see it as something that's super powerful, the most powerful tool that they've ever had access to in their entire life. I was on a call with Leo Pereira, who's the CEO of eXp Realty, and he was saying in like the next 16 months, the agents not using AI are going to absolutely fall out of this industry at a rapid rate. The Fiverr CEO in that email said this is a wake-up call. But a wake-up call doesn't have to be negative. A wake-up call can push you to evolve and grow, and that's what we need to do. I've been in this business for almost a decade now, and it's enough time to watch agents resist every technological change. From online listings to social media marketing, the ones who adapted early always won. The ones who waited until they had no choice but to put it into the business always struggled to catch up. We've seen that in social media time and time and time again. The question is, which side of history do you want to be on? And look, I get it. I know this can be completely overwhelming. We've got so much to do in our business. Now we have to go and learn this whole other industry to bring into ours, but it doesn't have to be that way. That's why I've created this free resource to help you get started. I've put together this Realtors AI survival guide, a complete checklist, a complete document with the exact prompts, tools, and strategies I'm using personally to stay ahead of the curve. So you can scan this QR code right here, or there's a link in the description to download it. It's completely free. You don't need to sign up to anything, and it might just save your business. And if you're really serious about future-proofing your real estate career, reach out to me, hit me up on a DM, send me a message. I'm currently helping a lot of realtors and teams build systems to leverage AI to create truly predictable production. Don't be the agent who gets replaced by AI. Be the agent who uses AI to replace your competition. So hit subscribe if you want to learn more no BS advice on building a real estate business that thrives no matter what changes that come to our industry. Just remember, AI isn't coming for your job. It's coming for agents who refuse to adapt. And I want to make sure that that's not you. Now, if you found this video valuable, there's another one right here about how I use ChatGPT to leverage time management in my business. It's a whole 1-hour masterclass that you can check out for free. Check that video out for sure. And don't forget to grab your free AI survival guide in the link below. You can check out completely free of charge. You don't need to sign up for anything. Click it and integrate yourself with artificial intelligence today.